what's up everybody? Out here at the vaults. If you haven't been to the vaults, it's a pretty sick place if you can get a chance to get a tour in there. I got in there with Devin and Joe and the boys just when I was working at Mercedes, and amazing car collections in Calgary. But in the meantime, I saw some cool photos taken right outside their door. And so a little impromptu photo shoot tonight. So hope this works out. Check it out. So here's a little movie making magic. This is my Canon camera laying on the ground, getting this great ground effect shot, shooting in HD, 60 frames per second. So check this out, and then check out the next video that I did with my iPhone 11 Pro Max on my little DJI Osmo gimbal. All right, there was a little post-production edit here with a little drama added, but great quality out of the iPhone. Now here's a few teaser shots, and then next I'll walk through how I got each one of these. Making a video of a little photo shoot I'm doing tonight. And I thought it'd be cool for all you car guys if I shared a little bit about what I do when I'm taking car photos and how to get some good shots of your cars. If you follow my other Instagram, Hi Brooks Photography, I'll drop it down here. I take a lot of commercial photos. So in the past, of course, I worked for Mercedes-Benz. Now I've been doing contract work with Toyota. And so lots of tips and tricks I've learned over the last few years doing this stuff. And I'll start sharing some good stuff with you guys. So number one tonight, hoping for a sunset, but pretty nasty cloud cover. But there's still a lot of filtered light coming through. And so one trick that I've been messing around with to keep your f-stop and keep your, your shutter wide open as much as possible to get the most clarity out of your images when there's a little bit too much light but not enough, is a neutral density filter. And so check this out. So what you'll see here is this is Deceivingly Bright Day with the ND64 filter, getting my f-stop all the way down to 4. Now here's the same with the shorter lens, f-stop 4.5. So the effect of getting the aperture as low as we can with the shutter as wide open as we can, it's a very deep, rich, full focus. Even though we lose a little bit of detail on the car in the center, the overall image is that dark, moody car photo that we all love. This is a photo with no filter. So this is the short lens, no ND filter. You'll see that my shutter speed is at 1/1250. But my f-stop is at 10. So I've got a much narrower field of light and balance in the back, more background blur and less drama. But I still love this because you get up close to your subject and you get that great detail. And then the other, probably most used filter out there is a polarized filter. And so that'll take the glare off of any reflection that you would get from the light. It's usually great for cars because, a clean car is just like a mirror. And I use that a lot. So here's this beautiful 2020 Tacoma. Beautiful morning. It's about 11 a.m. Still golden light. Now the shutter speed is still pretty quick at 1/1000. Aperture is f5, almost wide open. And the goal of the polarized filter is just to take off any sunspots and glare off the vehicle. Maybe not as much clarity, not as much open light coming in and as much data coming into your DSLR, your camera that you can get. So those are kind of the three things tonight. And I'm going to go through this after and see what worked. So check it out. Hi Brooks Photography. let's go take some pictures. So thanks again for watching. I know I'm not the ultimate pro photographer, so I'm welcome to all your feedback and any tips that all the photographers out there might have. But hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any questions or anything that you are struggling with that you'd like me to, shed some advice on. And we'll look forward to seeing you again soon. Like, subscribe, and get out there and take some pictures.